Previously, I don't know anything about cars. I totally zero knowledge. I don't even know how to open a bonnet. I don't even know what is a Honda, Toyota. So actually, I never thought one day that I will be working in car dealer. My name is Roy from Car Choice. I've been here since 2017. Currently, I'm a senior sales executive here. Before working in Car Choice, I'm working as a fridge repairman. So usually I will go to markets, BreadTalk to repair their chest freezer, walk-in freezer. I was paid $50 per day. I start my day at 9 AM all the way till 6 PM. So yeah, 钱难赚哦. After NS, I have a friend working in Car Choice. He recommended me to join this company. I see he enjoyed working in Car Choice, so I decided to join. So I managed to get my license and join this company. Previously, when I came into this company, I don't even know anything. So after I joined, I get to see lots of cars. I test drive the vehicle, I touch around, look at the features. Slowly, I'm interested in cars. Coming to work every day, actually I feel happy. Sometimes I'm not those kind like Monday blues or this. Actually, I'm okay to work. Sometimes when I'm on my off day, I even okay to come to work because lying down at home doing nothing, I better rather come to work. Car Choice will send us for courses to improve our skills. I learned how to approach customer service, and understand what customer needs. So we learn how not to hard sell customers. Now actually I feel better, like I know how to talk to my customer, understand my customers' needs. Every month I get to hit my sales target. My biggest achievement is selling 20 cars in a month. I feel very thankful to Car Choice and my seniors. Usually when you do sales, like seniors will be a little bit more selfish, they won't teach you much. But it's different from Car Choice. So actually Car Choice is very open. Our boss even sometimes buy lunch for us, treat us well. Let me feel like they welcome me like a family member. So every time when customer walk in, we even treat them like a family. We provide good customer service and we make sure that our customer walk out our showroom with a smile. Some customers come back to us because we are Case Trust and we have our own authorized workshop at Kranji Caros. So we can repair on any cars like even supercars, Japanese car or even Korean cars. So actually it's really a good opportunity. It's really a good opportunity and I really enjoy working here. We have company dinners, outings. Usually our office will even prepare like ang paos and even presents to surprise us. So it's really a good working culture here. From zero knowledge about cars all the way till where am I now. Get paid with good salaries, good cultures, good environment. I feel very proud and happy. For anyone who have passion in cars, you are welcome to join Car Choice. See you at Car Choice.